Hi, my name's Porsha and I want to walk you through how to use the KilgourMD scalp serum and how it fits into my everyday hair routine. This is a scalp treatment. It's not a styling product. It's meant to absorb into the scalp, not coat your hair. You'll use one dropper of each serum once a day. One bottle should last you about a month. When you apply it, place the serum directly on your scalp. You do not need to saturate your scalp or drench your hair. A little goes a long way. You can part your hair however works best for you. Clean parts, finger parts, or gently lifting your hair. There is no right or wrong way. Once the serum is on your scalp, gently massage it with your fingertips. No scratching, no heavy pressure, just enough to help it absorb. Remember, consistency is key. A small amount every day is better than overusing once in a while. If you miss a day, that's okay. Just go back to your routine the next day. There's no need to double down or apply extra. This works whether your hair is natural, relaxed, braided, twisted, locked, or even in a protective style. You don't need to take your hair down to care for your scalp. This isn't about changing your routine. It's about showing your scalp consistent care.